Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here. I've been behind the scene for a while now because that's where I strive more. I'm always shy in front of the camera, but yeah, it's what it is. I just want to use this opportunity to thank you guys for your support so far. Thank you for the subscribers, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes you've been giving me, the thumbs up. Thanks for the share. Yeah, a lot of you have been doing that. I'm so grateful. Also, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and then you can go to my page and just check my videos that I've been uploading so far. And I'm looking forward to bringing you more content, more DIYs come 2020, more fun stuff. I'm ready to explore, ready to do, in fact, the impossible. So just continue to support me and then hit the subscribe button. That's very much important. I know I've noticed some people, they do watch my videos but they haven't really subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please do that. Show some love, guys, by hitting the subscribe button. I'm really grateful for this year 2019. It has been a year of new things for me. I've been trying new things. I kept my fears behind. I know it's not easy starting up new stuff, new things, because you feel like, oh, people judging me, am I getting the right attention, is this going to work? But the bottom line is just do what you love. It doesn't matter if people are really all out for it at the beginning, but just keep doing what you love. Because I started new things, new stuff, apart from, because this channel, I started other things that to be honest, I never knew it would get the number of attention and then people that come in contact with. It's been a great experience. So my advice to you guys is, come 2020, just go ahead. That thing you've been thinking about that you wanted to do for a long time now, I think 2020 should just be opportunity. New year, new ideas, new goals. It should just be the opportunity to just go after your dream. Very much important, guys. Also, yeah, Merry Christmas in advance. Merry Christmas. I don't know if I'll be back before Christmas, but I should drop this video on how to make your Christmas a fun loving one with a fun loving accessories like the one I'm wearing. This is a Christmas red, so it's popping for any occasion. Anywhere you want to go, just put it. This is a Pompom earring. I have a Tassel earring too that you're going to be seeing in this video. I just wanted to do something that is fun, something that is Christmassy. Very easy. This earring is very easy to make, no fuss. It's just something you can just wake up one morning and be like, man, I have this fun occasion this December and I need to like pop in and make statements. And I feel this is the best way to make a statement. When you enter that occasion, everybody will be looking at your ears and I'll be like, man, this chick is fly. So, and then the other one, where is it? Let me see. I think it's here. Yeah, this one too. This too is quite like statements and all that, so you're gonna love it. So hopefully you love this video, and then guys, please, like I always say, give this video a thumbs up to really make me happy, and then share. I'm sure there's a lot of your friends out there that will really benefit from this tutorial in this season, of course. So of course, the kind like this I can pop it any other season, and I can even change the color if I want. So just give this video a thumbs up, then hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Yes, share, very much important. So wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So now let's go to the video in proper. See you guys.
Among the slaves I am, I see so am I. The greater one lives inside of me. He is my DNA. I won't remove by what I see, 'cause what I see is only temporary. I won't remove by what I feel, 'cause feel is life. I won't remove by what I see, 'cause what I see is only temporary. And I won't remove by what I feel, 'cause feel is life. I'm what God says I am. I'm a new creation. The greater one is inside of me. He is my DNA. And I was removed by what I see. Cause what I see is only temporary. And I was removed by what I feel. Cause real is life. And I was removed by what I see. Cause what I see is only temporary. And I was removed by what I feel. Cause real is life. Look at the one in me. It's the girls that fantasy. Whatever comes my way, I know I've got the advantage. Christ in me, Christ in me, Christ in me is my advantage. Christ in me, the hope of glory. Christ in me, I can do anything. Christ in me, no limitation. No. Christ in me, the hope of glory. Christ in me, I can do anything. Christ in me, no limitation. Look at the one in me. It's the greatest advantage. Whatever comes my way, I know I've got the advantage. Christ in me, Christ in me, Christ in me is my advantage. Look at the one in me. It's the greatest advantage. Whatever comes my way, I know I've got the advantage. Christ in me, Christ in me, Christ in me is my advantage. I'm who God says I am. I see Esau am I. The greater one lives inside of me. He is my DNA. I won't be moved by what I see. Cause what I see is only temporary. I won't be moved by what I feel. Cause feel is life. I won't be moved by what I see. Cause what I see is only temporary. And I won't be moved by what I feel. Cause feel is life. The greater one in me is the greatest advantage. Whatever comes my way, I know I've got the advantage. Christ in me, Christ in me, Christ in me is my advantage. Yeah. I'm what God says I am. I'm a new creation. The greater one is inside of me. He is my DNA. And I what I see, 'cause what I see is only temporary.